Dr. Seuss's ABC. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator. A. Big B, little b, what begins with B? Barber baby bubbles and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling. C. Big D, little d, David Donald Do dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. ABCDE, ear, egg, elephant. E. Big F, little f, F. Four fluffy feathers on a feffer. ABCDEFG, goat, girl, goo goo goggles. G. Big H, little h, hungry horse. Hey, hen in a hat. Hooray! Big I, little I. Ichabod is itchy. So am I. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam begin that way. Big K, little k, kitten, kangaroo, kick a kettle, kite and a king's kerchoo. Big L, little Lola Lop, left leg, lazy lion licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight. Mighty nice. Big N, little n, what begins with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. O is very useful. You use it when you say, Oscar's only ostrich oiled an orange owl today. ABCDEFGHIJKLMNO P. Painting pink pajamas. Policeman in a pail. Peter Pepper's puppy. And now Papa's in a pail. Big Q, little q, what begins with Q? The quick queen of Quincy and her quacking quackaroo. Big R, little r, Rosie Robin Ross. Rosie's going riding on her red rhinoceros. Big S, little s, silly Sammy Slick sipped 6 sodas and got sick. T. What begins with T? 10 tired turtles on a tuttle tree. Big U, little u, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear too. Big V, little v, Vera Violet Vin is very awful on her violin. W. Willie Waterloo washes Warren Wiggins, who is washing Waldo Woo. X is very useful if your name is Nicky Knox. It also comes in handy spelling axe and extra fox. Big Y, little y, a yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda Jurgensen is yelling on his back. ABCDEFG HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV WXY and Z. Big Z, little z, what begins with Z? I do. I'm a zizzer zazzer zuzz, as you can plainly see. The end.